Hello guys, welcome today a new video. This is ChefSetee. Today we're gonna make a pound cake. So this cake is very simple and nice. Anyone can make it at home for families or friends. Also you can make it at work. It's very delicious and nice. I will share with you the recipe and also I will show you the right way how to make this cake. I will go with you guys step by step and to the end. So watch the video and enjoy. Thank you. Okay guys, this is all the ingredients we're gonna need for this cake. We have eggs, butter. Make sure the butter is room temperature. We have powdered sugar and all-purpose flour. We have some vanilla extract. We have some milk. Milk also and the eggs have to be in the room temperature. Now here we have some baking powder and salt. So let's go ahead and make the mix. Okay guys, first we're gonna put the butter. And powdered sugar. Gonna start the machine. Guys, I'm gonna switch to medium speed, then I'm gonna add the eggs one by one. There's script sides. That's very important too. Okay guys, here I'm gonna mix the baking powder and the piece of salt with the all-purpose flour. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add the flour. Guys, now we're gonna add the milk little by little in medium speed. then I will add the vanilla. Okay guys, this is butter line at the top of the cake. So this butter line, they give us the shape of the cake when it's baked. So let's go ahead and bake it. Okay guys, our cake is ready. Here you go. Take off the paper. Okay, it's baked perfectly and nice, as you say. There you go.